want to write books about dragons, but my father is always finding me notebooks and destroying them. You see, my father, Stoic, the vast chief of the hairy hooligan tribe, doesn't think I should be writing books about dragon species. He thinks I should concentrate on my yelling. What my father says is, barbarians don't write books. A true barbarian yells at dragons that are his slaves and ignores the rest of them. And as for speaking their horrible snacky language, Dragonese, that is strictly against the law. What is the point of knowing the difference between an arsenic, addy, and a glow bug, or whatever you call them? Concentrate on your yelling and give up this foolishness. But what happens if you bump into the kind of dragon on the other side of this page? Be careful if you turn over. Trust me, if you try ignoring this particular dragon, it will eat you. Yelling won't work either. What you need in this situation is a lot of information about Hell's Teethers, and you need to start speaking Dragonese fast. That's why it is so important to know your dragons around here. Dragons are wonderful, mysterious creatures. They are also, as you will see, absolutely terrifying. So intelligent people should be scared of dragons. We should also strive to understand them, because we can only defend ourselves from dragons and live with them peacefully if we understand them. So let's begin by understanding dragon anatomy.
Woo!